A mere 40 light-years away from Earth lies a world that defies imagination. A planet born of fire and forged in the crucible of extreme conditions. A place where the very laws of nature seem to bend and twist. This planet is 55 CANCRI-E, a super-Earth shrouded in mystery, and there is one thing about this exoplanet that absolutely baffles scientists. It was discovered in 2004, with its host star being roughly the same size as our Sun, but slightly cooler and less luminous. It orbits at a blistering pace, completing a full revolution, or 1 full year, in just 18 hours. Being so close to its star, 55 CANCRI-E is subjected to unimaginable temperatures. Its surface reaches a scorching 2,000 degrees Celsius, or 3,632 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt almost every substance in existence. But there's one substance on this planet that doesn't melt. 55 CANCRI-E is a super-Earth, meaning it's larger and more massive than our own planet, but smaller than gas giants like Neptune. It's estimated to be about twice the size of Earth and 8 times its mass. This immense gravity would make it incredibly difficult for any human to stand on its surface. If you did take a trip to 55 CANCRI-E and stood on its surface, you would weigh approximately 2.27 times your weight on Earth. If you weigh 150 pounds on Earth, you will weigh about 341 pounds on 55 CANCRI-E. You would see a hellish landscape, a vision of Dante's Inferno brought to life. Rivers of molten lava would flow across its surface, carving deep channels through the blackened rock. You would see towering volcanoes spewing plumes of ash and toxic gases into the dark, thin, hazy atmosphere. This would make it impossible for any known life to survive. The atmosphere is toxic, made up of mostly carbon dioxide and other noxious gases. The surface is relentlessly bombarded by intense radiation from its host star. But the most fascinating and baffling aspect of 55 CANCRI-E is in its composition. Early observations suggested that it may very well be a diamond planet, with a significant portion of its mass made up of carbon in the form of diamonds. Its hypothetical worth would be an astronomical $13 nonillion. This number is so large that it's almost incomprehensible. It's far more than the total value of all the wealth on Earth many times over. 13 nonillion is 13 with 30 zeros after it. A number so large that it's almost impossible to imagine. Despite the surface temperature of 55 CANCRI-E being 2,000 degrees Celsius, diamonds are unaffected as their melting point is 4,027 degrees. At 2,000 degrees Celsius, the human body would vaporize instantly, and there is no spacesuit capable of withstanding these unimaginable temperatures. But some studies have cast doubt on the possibility of it being a diamond planet, suggesting something just as exotic. It could be that 55 CANCRI-E is comprised of rock and water, with a supercritical fluid layer beneath its surface. The supercritical fluid layer is a state of matter that exists at high temperatures and pressures, where the distinction between liquid and gas disappears. This exotic material could have strange and unpredictable properties, further adding to the mystery of this exoplanet. Standing on the surface of 55 CANCRI-E would truly be a terrifying and awe-inspiring experience. You would see a molten landscape. The ground beneath your feet would be constantly shifting between rock and molten lava. Rivers of lava would snake across the landscape, carving deep channels into patches of blackened rock. You would see towering volcanoes erupting in the distance, spewing plumes of ash and toxic gases. The sky would be a dark, hazy color due to the thick atmosphere. You would see occasional and intense flashes of lightning as the volcanic plumes interact with the thick gaseous clouds. There would be no familiar landmarks, no oceans, no continents, no signs of life as we know it. The landscape would be alien and inhospitable, a stark contrast to our lush and vibrant Earth. It's a mysterious world, where the laws of nature are pushed to their limits. 55 CANCRI-E is a testament to the incredible diversity of planets in our universe. While it's certainly not a place we could ever call home, It serves as a reminder that the universe is a vast and wondrous place, filled with secrets waiting to be discovered. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.